The model is complete. Now, let's measure what we just built. Tell BIBIM, summarize the model by story and export the result to Excel. Just describe what you need. BIBIM reads the model automatically. Done. Wall count, wall length, column count, and slab count all organized instantly. The summary is exported to Excel and copied directly to the clipboard. One more check. Find any walls lower than 3 meters and select them for review. BIBIM immediately checks the entire model and highlights the selected walls. Done. We found 12 flagged walls. Now, we can review them directly in the highlighted view. Everything completed in one session. Let's try BIBIM.